Assalamualaikum. Every students at first, everybody take my salam. Assalamualaikum. At first, I introduce with you. I am Mostock Kekhalan, an English teacher, Pulahar Ramesar Pilot Model High School, Model Institution, Pulahar, Chapai Nawabganj. Dear students, how are you? Hope that everyone is in good and sound health by the grace of Almighty. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Of course, you everyone know that the whole world has been passing through a very crucial time at the outbreak of the virus COVID-19. The whole world's schools are shut, so every students have to stay at home, and you are passing a very crucial time. But when the school is reopened, you will have to sit for the examination. So, our Honorable Prime Minister organized for you online class. So everyone are ready to get online class. The class will start now. Now every student open your history khata and listen carefully. The class is class 9, 10 English first paper writing part. Let us follow. What do you see in the picture, students? What do you see in the video? Our today's lesson is a story and it is on unity strength. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to listen information, ask and answer questions, write a story. Let us enjoy a video. Once there lived a farmer in a village. He had 5 sons. They used to quarrel with each other. There were jealousy, ill feelings, and enmity among them. They started quarreling with a little pretext. So there was no peace in their mind. This made the farmer very worried. He thought what to do something. He thought to do something. He wanted to teach them a good lesson. One day he called his sons. They all came. The farmer told them to bring some sticks and ropes. They bought some sticks and ropes and gave it to their father. He tied the sticks in a bundle and gave it to his sons to break. They all tried to break the bundle time and again but failed. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave a single stick to each of his sons to break. They all broke the sticks very easily. Then the farmer told them that if you are divided like the single sticks, people will break you like the sticks, and if you are untied, no one will do any harm to you. His sons realized their mistake and became untied, united. Group work. Evaluation. Answer the following questions. What is the story about? How were the sons of the farmer? What did they do very often? Why was the farmer worried? Why did he call his sons? What is the moral of the story? Universal. United we stand, divided we fall. After finishing the story, we know the moral of the story. Unity is strength. Thank you every student. See you again on the other class. Thank you very much.